The brand sent me this little gadget, and you might be wondering what it is. And if you have a front load washer, this little guy is going to help you keep your washer dry on the inside when you're not using it so that you don't have a lot of mold and mildew buildup. Let's go take a look and see how it works. Okay, the lighting is not the best in here, but we'll make do. So this little device has a magnet on each end, so it doesn't matter which side I'm using. So, okay. But you want to make sure before you order this that this part of your washer is magnetic. There are some in which this is not. So just take like a fridge magnet and try it out. But you just stick this here after your wash is done. My husband decided this would be a great time to do laundry when I was trying to review this. So um, that's why there's laundry in there, but we'll just pretend there isn't. And you close the door and it'll leave it propped open when you're done so that it can air out and dry out so that you don't have all of the moisture trapped inside the washer. Now, say you want it to be a little less open, no problem. This will adjust. Oops. So you do not have to have it quite as far open. So you can see. So there you go. I hope this helps.